Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's an extreme clean, declutter, and organize with me refrigerator video. Here's a before clip of my refrigerator, and as you can see, I need to do a deep clean, restock on everything, and make it more organized for my family and I. It's almost been a year since my last refrigerator organization video, and this is what it was currently looking like. I love to show you guys real behind scenes before I tackle this space because it's not always going to look perfect, and this space in my home needed a lot of attention. I'm really excited to get this clean and organized and share with you the process in case you need some ideas, inspiration, and motivation to clean out your own refrigerator. Starting off with step number 1, clean out the entire fridge first and get rid of things that you don't need or that are expired. This will help declutter and make room for things that you do need. Step number 2, remove all drawers and shelves from your fridge to give it a really good wash. After emptying everything out, I'm going to wash all of the new containers that I bought to organize the fridge. I will leave links to almost everything you see here in the description box if you're interested in any of these products. You may remember these gray containers from my last refrigerator organization. I actually bought more because of how much I like them. They help me keep everything beautifully organized and are easy access for my family to get to. For step number 4, I'm going to scrub everything in here. For some reason, I really enjoy cleaning this part because it's so satisfying to see this fridge getting scrubbed and cleaned. There was such a mess left from chips, crumbs, and sticky residue from spilled sauce. I like using a dry paper towel to remove the mess. I'm going to scrub more of the glass shelf and let some of the antibacterial soap sit on top for a little bit, meanwhile wash the rest of the shelves at the sink. I'm going to do this quick because I need to put food back in immediately that needs to be cold before I start organizing what I'm going to put in the containers. Here's a quick haul from Costco of everything that I picked up for the fridge. We're a family of 4 and I meal prep to have food ready on the go since life can get pretty busy. I'm a stay-at-home mom with 2 little ones, I'm a housewife, and I work from home. Even though it gets really busy for me, I always try to give my family the best and nutritious meals. I want to share with you guys how I meal prep, wash and cut produce because honestly, it's a game changer, you guys. It's so much easier for me to make my family quick, healthy, and delicious meals. I hope this helps you if you need any ideas.
One chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
I'm going to let the music play for the rest of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this cleaning and organizing video and are inspired to give your refrigerator a well-deserved refresh. Let me know in the comments what area in your home you need to take care of. I would love to know because I have the rest of the house to do and I look forward to sharing how I update each room in a new video soon.
In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old
Here's a quick before so you can remember what I started out with, and here's the after. I'm so happy with how everything turned out. It all has a designated space, it's organized, I can see everything I have, that way the food doesn't go to waste. This concludes today's extreme refrigerator organization. I hope this video gave you tons of ideas, inspiration, and motivation to give your refrigerator an updated refresh. I'm so thankful for you all, and I want to let you guys know that there's a surprise giveaway to say thank you for being here. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell, and turn on all notifications from me, that way you're notified whenever I upload. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. That's it, the winner will be announced 1 week from today. I hope you have the most amazing day, because if someone hasn't told you, you're worth so much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Take care.